welcome back to my channel. So I'm really pumped because we're gonna decorate together today. You all made me get out my decorations, therefore we're gonna decorate the front patio together and try to get as much done as we can while Alex is taking a nap. Everyone here is taking a nap. Keela's taking a nap. Kiko's taking a nap. So let's go decorate. Also this week on this whole entire video that I'm going to be sharing with you all, we're going to make some dark chocolate banana protein muffins with like the Kodiak cake mix and see how those turn out. And I'm also going to post a hair tutorial for you, so stay tuned. Hair tutorial will be at the end, and then, you know, this decorating thing might kind of like be very broken up as well because I can only do so much while Alex is sleeping. So let's go decorate the front patio together. Come on with me. Anyone want to come? You want to go with me? Yep. Wow. Living your best life, huh? Okay. With that said, we're doing this alone. I decided to do a quick voiceover because it's just going to be so much easier to explain what I'm doing here. My plan is I purchased these hay bales from our local Walmart. I paid like $7 or $8 for them, and I'm putting one on each side of the garage, and then I'm gonna top the yellow mums on the very top of them and then the purple mums in the front of it, and then I plan on grabbing some pumpkins and placing around that. I want it to be well balanced on each side, so it's got to match. And then here I'm swapping out my old rug. Bless this Hazelfoot shizzle. Yeah, girl. So I'm swapping it out for the orange pumpkins. And then this is so cute. It's like orange, browns, whites. I absolutely fell in love with it. Got it at TJ Maxx. So there you have it. My front door decor. And then this tree, oh man, it keeps falling over, or it also comes with like some stakes that I can stake it into the ground and it just doesn't look right. So I'm gonna have to figure something out with the tree, but I need a little centerpiece for my table, and after I get that, I think my patio area will be complete. Yeah, so stay tuned throughout the week. I plan on sharing some more, but as you can see, this side of the garage and then the other side, I'm going to walk over there and show you the other side, has the exact same decorations. That's my goal with everything, is just to make sure everything matches, everything is well balanced. If you do something to one side, you need to do it to the other. So yeah, there you have it. All right, it's been a few days and I got some more decorations in the mail. Therefore, let's put up these bats together. So I got these off of Amazon. They have double-sided sticky tape, and I really wanted to make them look like they are flying out of my front door. So my niece had this idea where we would start with just one and then do like 2 in a row, 3 in a row, 4 in a row, etc. And it is super cute. We actually got really excited and started just like kept adding more and more bats to the entire like front area. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like at the end. Here you have it. I'm gonna do a little hair tutorial for you. I just got out of the shower and here we go. After I shampoo and I put the conditioner in my hair, I will use my fingers and I will comb out all of the knots that I have in my hair. And so then when I take it out of this towel, which is a microfiber towel that I bought off of Amazon, my hairstylist highly recommended it. So I got it and it's amazing. No tangles. I just placed another order for products, so I'm running low, but I'm gonna start off with the Miracle Leave-In. And I take all of the lids off of my hair products because I have a lot of hair, oops, and I use a ton of product. I just dropped that on my toe. Next up, I'm gonna go in. This stuff is amazing. It's Moroccan oils, hydration. It's like a styling cream. I love it. So I blend this with Moroccan oils oil. So I use about that much in my hand. And again, you don't have to use this much product, but I do because I have a crap ton of hair. I'm serious, my ponytail is super thick. By the way, Alex is taking a nap, so that's why I kind of sound like I'm trying to be quiet a little bit because I don't want to wake him up. And his bedroom is right next to mine. Like I said, I'm almost out of this stuff, so I'm scraping for more. I'm placing product in my hair. I do not, gosh, I need more cream. But I just kind of comb the product through my hair just like this. Like, I don't scrunch it until the very end. I made a mess. I have Biolash Jelly. They just got new packaging for whatever reason. This hold is a #2 hold, and I usually take the lid off of this too, but this is a brand new bottle and I just haven't done that yet. Okay, I know this might sound weird, but think of it like this. So, you know when you're in the shower and you put conditioner in your hair and you want to make sure that it is thoroughly, like every strand, the conditioner is just soaking up every single strand. Well, that's what you want to do with the gel. This part is so important. You got to make sure your hair is basically almost saturated in gel. And I know it sounds crazy and I know it sounds like a lot of product, but trust me, it's just how it goes. So my hair feels pretty saturated right now. Like, I mean, listen. Do you hear that? My hair is literally saturated in product right now. And I didn't miss a strand. Like, all of it is. My very last step more gel, and then I rub it in my hands, stick my head upside down, and scrunch. Yuck, that looks gross. Do you hear that? Saturated. Okay. There you have it. I don't know if you can see, but that's it. So now what I do is I leave it alone. You don't touch it. You don't do anything with it. You just let it air dry and let your natural curl come to life. If it's a cold day and I'm gonna be going outside, or it's just like chilly in the house, I will dry it a little bit upside down, my head upside down with a diffuser. But as of today, it's a beautiful day out. It's like 80 degrees, high 70s. I'm just gonna let it air dry, and I will try to come back on here later and show you what it looks like when it air dries. More hair loss. But it's fine because your girl has enough hair for 5 people, so like this little bit doesn't even bother me at all.